is important, and Schlumberger interns understands that. Thus, we practice it every day in our working environment.
This strengthens our bond as friends and co-workers regardless gender and races.
Interns get to enjoy some of the privilege provided by Schlumberger, such as the allowance, medical expenses, and most importantly, to work at Schlumberger and be a part of Schlumberger.
For me, it's all about the people. The culture of the company itself is so unique. I mean, with structured professional training development, it pushes you to be the best you can possibly be.
Schlumberger offers a very wide opportunity to do your internship here. They either send you to office-based location, on-site location, or even offshore.
We are being treated equally here.